Yeah, so did I. Etsy's been getting killed. I mean, and it's a new issue, so it's going to be hard to trade because there's no history in it.
Yep. Actually, I had this on my list today as a potential bottom with
Okay,
that spike in volume yesterday. Reversed very, very nicely off the lows.
right.
Did more than almost 3 times normal volume.
And actually, now that you say that, it closed strong on a weak closing in the market, so that's really a divergence that should be taken note of.
Yep, and actually, I had somebody email about because I do have on the blog post every day 2 times normal volume. That is actually what I'm looking for. It's not it. The volume is kind of like the first alarm that puts the stock in the list. But what I'm really looking for, and this is a very big thing that's simple. I'm looking for where on the price chart the volume is occurring. That's the big thing. And this, to me, even obviously it's getting clobbered since the IPO. To me, right now, all of a sudden, I sat up in my seat. I'm like, that's interesting.
Yeah.
That massive increase in volume at the lows and a big reversal closing on the highs. To me, I'm like, all right, let's keep an eye on it. That's a good chance that's a bottom right there.
Yeah.
Again, not necessarily to get long, but you definitely want to spot when you might not want to be short anymore, when you might not want to be long anymore, um, in the context of that technical setup with volume. That's what I mean. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, you could possibly start nibbling on the long side. But I want to call out why. That's really more important. The reasons why are the whole point of, to me, why we're working well as a group, because we're not just saying do this or that. We're talking about why, and we're really putting the pieces together of the trades. That's the most exciting part to me.
And if something we
ADSK.
say, and if something we say doesn't make sense, just say, okay, can you go over that, or I don't really understand that, or I think you guys are crazy.
Yep, exactly. Exactly. And we might be crazy, but we could still
Right.
explain it anyway.
Yeah, exactly. And